Hi, this is Mustafa, and why I'm making this video. Reason behind it not showing this place. I am in Doha, Qatar, and I am near the cornice, and you can see the cornice, this place. So reason is not to show this place. Reason is something else. And what I'm going to share with you, you are not going to believe, really. That I have one YouTube channel, and through that YouTube channel, I have earned around $2,200. When you will convert into Indian currency, the value will come around 1,70,000 rupees. Last month, I have earned through the YouTube. So really, this is very amazing for you that this much money I can earn through the YouTube. Yes, YouTube is not only the platform for entertainment. Most of the people are earning money through this social media network like YouTube, Twitter, and TikTok. This all will gives money also. So for me, it is working. There are some people are facing problem. They have created YouTube account and their subscribers are not increasing. They are not getting the sufficient watch hours for monetization. So this will come. It will take time. For me, it took 8 months for monetization. But the day when my channel was monetized, from that I started earning 1 rupees, 2 rupees, 3 rupees. Then I was keep trying and I uploaded more videos and I used some tricks, and now the time I have earned around $2,200 this month. So what I am telling to you, that whatever you know, just try to make some videos on different field, different kind of video you can make. Just try to upload on YouTube. One day will come, you will be earning money. You will be sleeping and your money will be adding in your account. So just don't waste your time in unusual things. And if you want any support from me, my WhatsApp number and phone number will be available on the page. You can get support from me. I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and this is really very beautiful place. So thank you very much, guys. I will show you my YouTube account, how much I have earned. So I will go to the YouTube, and then I will go to YouTube Studio. See, my channel name is FM Electricals. Then subscriber we have 2,950. Thank you so much for this. And here you can see estimated revenue 2,414. When you will convert this amount to 2,414, it is coming around 1,98,921. This much Indian rupees. So this is really amazing, and thank you.